So while they're in this position, you can't really get to them properly because of the bonnet. So you have to put them in the safe position, which is ignition on, ignition off, handle down. And it'll put the wipers up so you can get to them. Now we can change the wipers. These are universal Bosch wipers, aerotwins, and you've got a 19-inch and a 24-inch. Obviously 24/19. Just unboxing them, take them out, and they come with these little covers on them. I don't know if you can see that. Push down. You can take the cover off just by pushing down and pulling it. This little button here, which releases that, which is exactly the same technique to take the wiper off. So we've got the larger of the two ready. So we'll lift the arm up. Always make sure you've got one of these rags or any cloth, it doesn't really matter, but whenever so you're pressing down, pulling up, whenever you let go of this arm, it's spring loaded, so you need to make sure there's a cloth underneath it because it will smash the windscreen, and then you'll get in your replacement one, and then it's going, you're pushing it in first and then down, okay, and then it should just clip in, and that's not going anywhere. Move the rag and put your arm back down, and then same process with the other one. So you need to remove this little plastic cover, and you're pushing in there and pull down, just like you would if you was taking the wiper off. You just take it off, and the same, move this so we don't mix it up. This is your, lift it up, press down inside, lift up, and it comes straight off sometimes. Okay, now you need to get your rag again, just to make sure you've got control of everything, and then putting the new one back in. You're just shoving that in, down, and clips into place. And that's your windscreen wipers replaced. You just do the same in reverse, turn the ignition on, press the arm down, and the wipers will go back into position. Hopefully it will save you a little bit of money on somebody else doing them. So that's it completed. We've got the wipers replaced. There are a lot of vehicles that these replace. We've got Audi, BMW, Infiniti, Jaguar, Landrover, Mercedes, Renault, Skoda, and Volkswagen. So there are a lot of vehicles. They're all generic fittings. They all fit exactly the same. If you've got a Mercedes, this will fit exactly the same as a Mercedes. You just put your reg in to find what wiper blades you need at Halfords, and then you can buy them from there, or you can find out this code and then search for it online at eBay or Euro Car Parts or anywhere. I got these from eBay. They were 15 quid. At Halfords, they were about 2 or 3 quid more expensive. You can have them fitted for an extra £7. Hopefully watching this video will save you £7. If you like and subscribe, it will help the channel, and hopefully I'll be making a lot more videos. And thanks for watching. Cheers.